What's up YouTube, welcome back to another Fixit episode, and today we'll be changing this brake light from this look to this look. Alright guys, as you can see we have some brand new second hand, so we're going to change it. See, this one has been broken. Alright, so here you have a toolbox, so get some tools. I just need a screwdriver for now. I think I'm gonna need a 10. So this was a small 5/16 socket with a small ratchet angle. As you can see, I was trying to pull the screws, even though it was putting up a resistance, but eventually I got them pulled. Yeah, I had to free up the covering a bit to get to the screws. The screws were putting up a little bit of resistance, but eventually I got them pulled. I got to reach them, but I had to free up this a bit in order to get them. If you made it this far, please like, share and subscribe. Share with a friend. Thanks for viewing. If you made it this far, and as you can see, I started to use my hand, because I eventually cracked them with the ratchet angle, so I just started using my hand to free them up a bit. It wasn't that hard, it was very easy. Anyone can do this. That's what these videos are for, to help you fix certain things on your vehicle that you think that you're not qualified of fixing. All it takes is just few tools, and you just take your time and pull it down and go through. Certain people think that it's complicated, but it's not. It's very easy. Well, you have certain things on the vehicle that is more technical work that you have to link a professional, but this was very, very easy. Even to change a bulb, it is very, very easy. Alright, so I think I finally got the bolts pulled, so I'm going to try to ease it out now. Yes, so it was coming out very easy, as you can see. Yeah, so finally got it out. So there was some dirt and debris behind it, so so we finally got it out. That was a good feeling, Yeah, so as you can see there, I'm going to get that clean up, and I'm showing you the second hand one that I'm going to put on. So I'm going to spray and try to get this thing clean up. I need a new spray buckle though. The spray buckle was not working properly, so as you can see, I'm trying to get it clean now. Yes. And for every vehicle you're gonna find this, guys, because you don't often pull out the brake light often, so you're gonna find dust and debris located behind this area. So nothing is wrong with that, but to make things more professional, I ensure that I clean it up before I install the new second-hand brake light. This was pretty refreshing, it's come like detailing. You know, it is detailing. You know, as you can see me with the brush and the spray bottle, you know, getting it clean up. You know, yeah. Yes guys, so I finished cleaning off this side. This was the left side. You know, as you can see, I'm wiping it off. You know, I didn't want to put too much water. I didn't want any water to catch a bulb or to catch any wiring, so I would just was being more I was taking more precaution, you know. As you can see, the rug is very dirty. Jamaican terms, dirty. Yeah, so yeah, that side is finished, left side is finished. We're focusing on the right side as now. So as you can see, I was pulling out the screw to get more access to the light itself. As you can see, there's a small opening on the shell. I think that does give you access to the bulb, but it don't give you access to the screws for the lights. So I had to pull that off in order to get more access to the screws. So as you can see, I was pulling out the bulb before I start pulling the screws. This was very easy, very easy. You just take a little patience, you know. If you reach this far in the video, just like it, share and subscribe. You know, thanks to all the loyal viewers who always review whenever I post. You know, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Just share with a friend, you know. So they can see there was not a lot of space, so you know, I was mainly using the socket, you know, after I cracked the bolts, so I just use a socket to screw them up, you know. Yeah. I think I need some more tools because I didn't have a small spanner, because I think a spanner would work more better, you know. Yeah, but eventually I get it pulled. As you can see, I'm going to take it out now. I'm going to take it out. Something was like a clipper or something was holding on the light, so well, I eventually get it off, even though it was some spilling of water. I think water was settling up in the light, you know, so I'm going to get this side cleaning as well. Nothing was wrong with this one, but the color was off, you know. That was orange for the indicator and the next one was clear, so we just change that one too as well, you know, because the aftermarket one, the brand new second hand was clear, both of them, so we just work with those two. Yeah, as you can see, both of them are out. You know, the car looked totally weird. It looked like a shell, you know, with nothing on it, you know. So Yeah, I got this side clean up as well. This was the right side. Look at the rug. The rug was so dirty. But at least it is better than before. Yeah. I don't remember what I was saying there because I'm doing a voiceover. But I know I was saying something about cleaning up there and maybe putting on back the light and so on and so forth. Yeah, so this is the left side as I speak. I think I was saying that I got them clean up and it was a shell, so I'm showing right here how it would look comparing to the one that was broken that we took off. Yeah, so it looked totally different, looked totally better. Yeah, so I think there was a dent on the frame, so this one was giving me one bolt was missing or some screw was missing, so this one was giving me a warm time to put on. Yeah, so as you can see there, that was a screw was missing or a bolt or something, so I was just putting in one. I took that one from the old one, because I wasn't catching that side, so I had to take it out back. Yeah. Comment down below, guys. Yeah. So after getting it back on, I think the bolt fit perfectly now, so yeah, I just screw it up back and I was good from there. Yeah. Thumbs up. Yeah, guys, so as you can see, I catch a bolt right there. Yeah, that was the one giving me trouble. Yeah, guys, remember, if you made it this far, you can comment down below. Leave some comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, share with a friend, a family. I'm trying to reach 2K subscriber before 2025 is finished. And I really would like this video to go to 100K views, and even 20K likes. I'm praying for that. Yeah, so just share with a friend. It's a small channel trying to grow. Yeah, so I think I end up catch all 4 screws. It's just for me to get the bulb in now, so it was time now to get the bulbs back in. Yeah, so that light was the brake light. That was a brake bulb. We had to do this because we want to get the bulb back in the right area. We don't want to put indicator bulb in the brake section, so We had to do a little test because all of them was the same thing, so we had to do that to get them back in the right position. So yeah. So I had a little issue getting back that in because it was not going back in properly, so I had to leave that and move on to something else. I think I move on to the indicator. Yeah, that was the indicator, but eventually I got that fixed though, the one that was giving me a little trouble. Yeah, so that was the indicator and that was the reverse. One was the indicator, one was the reverse, and one was the brake. Yeah, the one without the bulb, that was the park light. So we didn't have any bulb for that, so we eventually get it back in the right space, but yeah, we were more focused on the ones that have in bulb. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, so I think that was the indicator, so I was putting that in the indicator section. Remember guys, to like, share, subscribe, begging you all. We're trying to make this video reach 100k views and I want 20k likes. Okay, so this was the right side. We did the same procedure as the left. So I think I'm going to speed up this part so that I don't keep you too long. Alright, so I'm going to speed up in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so this was the end result. We finally finished, even though we have to fit up about the trunk space. Yeah, I think that light was blowing, the reverse light. Yeah, so that one wasn't coming on. As you can see on the left side, brake light was on, indicator, reverse light was working. Likewise the right side, brake light, indicator, reverse light was not working though. Yeah, so we had to fit up back. As you can see, we're connecting back the speakers. Yeah, and fitting up back wasn't that hard. It was very, very easy. Yeah. So guys, alright, thank you so much if you made it this far. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you're watching or passing this video for the first time, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Share with a friend. Just click the share button. Share with a friend. I really appreciate that. So thank you guys. As you can see, this was the after. I think I should put a clip of the before. Let me put a clip of the before. 3, 2, 1. Yeah guys, so this was the before. It was a beautiful change. Yeah guys, so like I was saying, thank you so much. Thank you all so much if you reach this far. Pray that God bless you, and whatever your heart desire, God will grant you it. Really, really appreciate it guys. Alright.